This is my week. Sticky notes. Handwritten notes. Just a confusing mess. 33 tasks scattered across sticky notes, emails, and random notebooks. So I did something drastic. I gave this entire disaster to ChatGPT and said, "Please organize my life." What happened next actually shocked me. If you're anything like me, semi-retired, juggling a few passion projects, a YouTube channel, maybe a nonprofit, you know this feeling. Everything feels urgent. You start 10 things, finish none. I needed structure, but I didn't want another complicated system. So I turned to AI. I gathered everything, every scattered to-do list, every half-finished note, and dumped it into one document. Then I gave ChatGPT this prompt. I have these tasks. Organize them into a realistic weekly schedule. Prioritize by importance and consider energy levels. I'm most focused in the mornings. Include time blocks and be realistic about how long things actually take. And then I hit enter. Here's what ChatGPT created: a full weekly plan. Mornings for focus, afternoons for lighter admin. It even built in realistic breaks. The best part? It grouped similar tasks together, something I never do. It also pointed out what could wait. Suddenly, I had a plan that matched how I actually work, so I tested it. Day 1, I started at 9 with the deep work block AI suggested. By lunch, I'd finished editing a video and sent 2 overdue emails. It wasn't perfect. AI underestimated how long some tasks take. But overall, it worked. I stayed focused. I wasn't switching between 5 things. For the first time in months, I ended the day actually feeling done. By the end of the week, something interesting happened. I didn't just finish more, I felt less stressed. AI doesn't know your life perfectly, but it's amazing at seeing patterns you're too close to notice. Energy cycles, time traps, and overcommitments. If you found this helpful, try it this week, and drop a comment telling me what AI scheduled for you. Next week, how I created a professional logo in 5 minutes with 0 design skills. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want my free 50 AI prompts for business download, the link is in the description. There is also a 60-page workbook you can grab. I'll post the link below. The AI Toolkit for Second Act professionals is available when you are ready. I'm Beryl. Thanks for watching Reinventing Life with AI.